Hey y'all. So, episode 3 of Renovation Realities with the Carters. As you can see, I am upstairs with a glass of wine, and Mr. Carter has purchased a new tool. Y'all hear it? Yeah, it's kind of loud. I know. I think he has purchased every tool that Home Depot sells. I think I'm going to have to call Home Depot and ask them not to sell him any more tools because at this point, I think it's kind of getting excessive. I don't know what this new tool is. Let's go down here and see what he has purchased because it is loud. I'm figuring it must be, you know how you don't even ask, you just get to the point to where you're just like, oh, he's happy. I'm not even gonna, oh my God, what was that? Lord Jesus, I'm about scared to look. What is going on? What's going on, Mr. Carter? How are you?
All right, how are you?
Fine. What was that? Loud, loud, loud. Did you drop something? Did you fall? Are you okay?
None of that. Neither one. Didn't drop nothing, didn't fall.
Well, what was that? What was that noise? I jumped. What was that?
That's the frame.
Bang.
That's this. That was this right here.
So what is this, Lord? What is that?
That's a frame and nail.
What is that?
A frame and nail.
What?
So it shoots the nails into the 2x4s.
Uh-huh. Okay. What?
Yeah, exactly.
I know what the 2x4s and I know what nails are, but what? This tool has completely, I'm just shook.
Yeah, I mean, 'cause you don't want to use a hammer and nails to shoot or to,
So,
to nail the 2x4s in between these floor joists. It'll take forever to sit there and hammer.
got it.
So you need a tool to do that, right?
Oh, and
So
you
we gotta
need
go all-
earplugs too. You bought them from Home Depot too?
Of course, everything. Everything.
What is that? What the hell is that? Do it come on by itself? What? What is going on? Oh my God! What the hell is this? What the hell is this, Mr. Mark? What the hell is this? Why it came on by itself? Why it just come on by itself?
Because as you use the tool, it loses air in the tank. So it has to replenish. So it comes on by itself.
Oh my God, y'all. So when you shoot a nail in that floor joist, it's just
Every so many nails, right? Depending on how much pressure comes out
right.
with the shot.
Gotcha. And it just knows when it's supposed to reel on air.
Yeah, at a certain time, it'll kick back on and replenish itself to the max PSI.
Oh.
I know, it's amazing, man. All the
So
tools,
let me guess,
tools are
that
amazing.
also came from Home Depot.
Yeah, you would guess right.
What?
You would guess correctly. Yeah.
So at this point, y'all, I think that the real reason why Mr. Carter wanted to do this basement himself is so that he will have a true solid reason to go and buy all these tools that he probably been wanting. And do y'all, what?
What?
Now, I watched a lot of videos on Facebook and YouTube on finishing the basement. It didn't say that these two things were required.
Oh yeah, you need
It
that.
didn't. No,
I mean,
it
what
didn't.
else?
It didn't. No, but it
Unless
didn't
you're
say.
using a hammer to shoot or to drive 3 1/4 inch nails into it. It's gonna take forever to sit there and keep
We
doing
don't need them people
the other
did it on
hand-
YouTube. They did it.
that.
They did it.
How old was the YouTube video?
I mean, what?
Probably wasn't 2000. Probably was 95.
What are we going to
93.
do with these tools after the basement is finished?
You could always use
Please.
an air compressor. That's all it is.
I'm getting the hell out. I don't even. Okay. Do you need any help, Mr. Carter? Do you need me?
Gotta place some order.
You need some more wood. So, what you need tonight? Them things right there. Up there. You gotta yell because we can't hear you for your brand new air compressor.
Yeah. So the rest of the night, you probably just gonna lay out the walls, you know? You're gonna be thinking of snap these chalk lines, that's the walls gonna go. Really, I had to put that up there because I gotta do it on the ceiling too. Just because you got the chalk line snapped.
Chalk
on the floor,
lines, see the chalk
you gotta
lines, yes.
basically put that up to the ceiling as well. And
Gotcha.
the way you do that is, well, at least the way I'm gonna do it is I have a tool to do it, of course, right?
And I'm sure it's a totally separate tool
Yes,
that we purchased
It's a
from Home
laser.
Depot.
It's a laser level, which will come in handy
Yeah.
for something else.
A laser.
Promise. But it's pretty cool. You just put it on the line, and it'll shoot it all the way up. So that way you know it's straight from the bottom all the way to the top.
Perfect.
Some people use this old-fashioned tool with a plumb bob, but you know they got newer stuff.
They got newer, exciting tools at the Home Depot, which happens to be right down the street. I'm pretty sure they know him by name at this point, and hopefully we can use these tools after all of this is
Oh, we
over.
will. Everything we get. Just think about the air compressor. The air compressor gun. Excuse me, not the air compressor. The framing gun. It's $40 a day to rent. $40 a day. $40 a day. So how many days we gonna need?
How many?
More than 4. I mean, more than a week. That's almost $200. You can go get one for that.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, honey, I don't have any objections. You happy? I'm happy.
Yeah, we're gonna get it done.
And we gonna get it done, and I'm gonna drink wine. I just bought a new bottle, so you have fun down here, and I'm gonna have fun upstairs with my wine, and probably pop me some popcorn. You need something?
Nah, I don't need that.
You need some water? I can get you some water.
No, I'm all right.
All right, have fun. All right, y'all. So that's the latest update. Hopefully we have all the tools we need for right now, but we might need more, and he's gonna go buy them, and Home Depot is gonna sell them to him. So whatever's necessary, we're gonna get it done.